Hello and welcome to Znode. Today we're going to answer the question, how does Znode handle catalog management? Catalog management is essential in B2B e-commerce so that when different buyers log into your web store, they're only able to see and purchase approved and tailored to order product assortments. Starting off, we look at the Acme Manufacturing demonstration storefront. Now, Acme Manufacturing is a B2B seller that has an open site for guests to look up products in a number of different ways, from site search to shop by brand, as well as shop by department. As we click on the Power Tools hierarchy, we're shown the associated product listing page, but pricing is not shown. When we log in as one of Acme Manufacturing's approved dealers, however, you will see a specialized product assortment, as well as account-based pricing. So how is this managed in Znode? Now, at the core of Znode is a digital product information management tool, or PIM for short. Znode's PIM can be populated from an external source, such as an integration with an ERP or an external PIM, or via CSV file upload. And out of Znode's PIM, an unlimited number of catalogs can be created, with a catalog being nothing more than a virtual representation of the products in the PIM. So you don't have to worry about the replication of data. A catalog can be based off of a general store of products, an account-based formulary, a brand within your business, or even based off of a profile of customers that you serve. And associating these catalogs to a store, profile, or an account is as easy as going into one of these three key areas, clicking on an account, for instance, and in the general settings, associating the proper catalog to this account. We hope this helps you understand catalog management in Znode. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below with any questions.